Have you ever wondered why your savings never seem to measure up when an unexpected financial emergency hits? Welcome to this enlightening discussion on creating a unique AI-powered tool that not only calculates your emergency fund, but also adapts to your evolving financial situation, providing a more accurate and personalized recommendation. Imagine having a tool that knows your financial habits as intimately as you do, and better yet, uses that knowledge to help you prepare for any financial surprises life may throw your way. That's the promise of AI-driven financial planning. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about understanding your financial behavior, your income fluctuations, and your spending habits. Now, the debate here is not whether AI has the capacity to revolutionize personal finance. That's a given. The real question is, how can we ensure that these AI tools are transparent and educative? How can we build trust in a process that, to many, may seem too complex or too robotic to handle something as personal as their finances? The answer lies in the design of the tool itself. Consider an AI tool that doesn't just give you a number, but explains how it arrived at that number. It tells you, in simple terms, that it factored in your average monthly income, your regular expenses, your occasional splurges, and even the financial surprises you had in the past year. It gives you a breakdown, a financial story that you can follow and understand. Transparency is key. A good AI tool doesn't hold back information or hide behind complex algorithms. It invites you to understand its process, to learn from it, and to use that knowledge to better manage your finances. But what about personalization? How can an AI tool adapt to your evolving financial situation? Well, imagine if this tool could learn from your financial behavior over time. It notices that you have a tendency to overspend during the holiday season, or that your income spikes in the summer. It then uses this information to adjust your emergency fund calculation, making it more accurate and more personalized. The beauty of an AI-driven financial planning tool lies in its capacity to learn, to adapt, and to educate. It's not just a calculator, it's a financial mentor that evolves with you, guiding you through your financial journey with personalized advice and insights. In conclusion, AI is not here to replace the human touch in financial planning, but rather to enhance it, to make it more personal, more accurate, and more insightful. So, as we wrap up this discussion, here's a question to ponder. If you had access to an AI-powered financial planning tool, how would you want it to learn from your financial behavior? How would you want it to adapt to your evolving financial needs? Remember, your financial journey is unique, and so should be your financial planning tool. So don't forget to subscribe to the Billionaire Queen channel for more enlightening discussions on personal finance and technology.